We are going to discuss C++ and today is our first class. C is developed by Dennis Ritchie and C++ is developed by Bisren Strostrup. C is developed in 1970s, C++ is in 1980s, and both are developed at AT&T Bell Labs. C is procedure-oriented programming language, whereas C++ is object-oriented programming language. The concept of OOPS we'll be discussing in the coming sessions. C++ initially it was called C with classes, superset of C. We use scanf to read any type of data in C language, whereas in C++ we use cin and printf for output and cout in C++. The header file we use for input and output transactions in C is stdio.h, whereas in C++ it is iostream.h, input output stream.h. We'll see the base difference between a C program and a C++ program. You just observe the program. C is equal to a plus b. We have three variables a, b, c, and we have two input variables a and b, and c is your output variable. And the first line is a declaration statement. Int a comma b comma c semicolon is called a declaration statement. And if in C and C++ the program execution begins with main. Each and every statement must be placed within braces only, and every statement must end with semicolon. As I told you, to read the data in C we use scanf, and here we use cin in C++, and to write the data printf, and here it is cout. And one main thing is to be observed is header files, and the second one is we don't have %d notations in C++. We use double greater than operator, which is called extraction operator. Cin double greater than a, double greater than b. The %d, %c, %f, what you call format specifications in C language are not used in C++. And look at cout. Cout double less than is insertion operator. So this is a base difference between a C program and C++ program. Structure of C++ program is just like C only, but the variation is we have the term classes in C++, so include files, class declaration, and every class contains data and its associated functions, and here we call them as member functions. So class declaration, member function definitions, and then is your main function program. C++ supports all C operators without any changes, and apart from C operators, here we have few additional operators in C++: scope resolution operator and pointer to member, memory release, and memory allocation. We have new and delete. New is for memory allocation and delete for memory deallocation. Instead of void main, few people use int main. If you use int main in the program, you need to give return 0 at the end of the program. Scope resolution operator, I'll be giving each and every operator with a demonstration program I'll be explaining. ENDL is line feed operator, just like your backslash n in C language.